Hi, welcome back or welcome to the channel. Today we are going over a plugin which I am sure would save you a lot of time. And best of all, it is free. It's a plugin by Mr. Alex Tech. I'll leave a link in the description below on where to download it, and I'll quickly run over how to install it with you guys. With DaVinci Resolve 18, installation of this plugin is super easy. All you need to do is make sure you have DaVinci Resolve open, locate where you downloaded the plugin, and just double click. Once you double click, you will get this pop-up. As long as you have DaVinci Resolve open, then you just click install. And then just to be safe, you want to close and reopen Resolve just to be safe. Now that we have it installed, we're going to import our image, and then we are going to go down here to Effects, Mr. Alex Tech, and you can always alternatively just type in magic in the search and it will pop up there. But this is basically where the magic happens, as it were. So we go ahead, drag this over here. No, I didn't choose this image so I could put it in the thumbnail or anything. We dragged the effect. Now we go to effects in the inspector. If you don't have the inspector, just click up here. And then as you see, the different controls and whatnot, like whip controls. Okay. And then we do whip control in, whip control out. So that means it would just come in by default. It would just, we just will hit play. It will come in from the left and then exit the right. See, exit the right coming from the left. That actually isn't that bad. Not that bad at all, actually. There's other controls you can do as well. Let's see, there's spin, dissolve, aspect. Let's see aspect. The good thing about this is you can kind of just play around till you find exactly what you want. Like whip wasn't our cup of tea, maybe aspect, but I can see right now that's not going to work for me. And then we have zoom. If we wanted to zoom in and out, like here. Let's go ahead and, zoom bigger. And then it would zoom out smaller. I actually kind of like that, honestly. But we're going with the whip. And it doesn't just work on images, because this was an image I imported. Let's go to text, shall we? So we're going to go to text plus here. And, just create a text. We can have it say anything we want. In this case, we're going to have it say subscribe. Put the playhead here so we can see it. It says subscribe there, plain and simple. Let's actually make it a little bit bigger, just because we're going to, there we go. And now we will drag the plugin, or rather the effect, once again here, okay? And then go to effects. Yeah, that's right. We don't even have to make it a compound clip right now. We just drag the effect over. And let's say this time I want to use the zoom in and out. Okay, so now I have the zoom in and out. zoom in, and then after it's done, it zooms back out, which is actually very cool. I would have normally had to keyframe that myself. So it's pretty nice that it's keyframed for you. Now I will give like a small disclaimer, which is that DaVinci Resolve. Okay, so the plugin is very smooth when I go like this, and it will be very smooth in the end result, but sometimes the playback, sometimes it's a little intensive on DaVinci Resolve, but like I said, that's only during some playback, depending on the power of the machine you have. And yeah, that plugin, this plugin, I really have only good things to say about it. The alternative is, yes, you could keyframe all of this yourself, technically, but this is so much easier. And let's say you don't wait around anymore, just, either delete or disable the plugin. And there we go, plain and simple. But yeah, hopefully this has helped you in some way, shape, or form. And yeah, with that said, like I said, link in the description below to the site where you can go to actually download the plugin. And I will catch you guys in the future. Later.